Okay, so let's start with the second part. The first part was a little bit too long, so we will move a little bit faster because we just need to highlight the most important moments. Okay, so we have created in the first part the catalog price rule. I hope you understood how to do this approximately. So if we will look in the Plaza themes, this is the Siebel themes settings. There are some important places. This one, banner slider, manage banners, mega menu, manage mega menu, and block. Block, maybe it's also important for you. So okay, brand slider. This also will check very fast. Okay, so I need to log in one more time. This happens quite usual. This happens because the timeout of no action is quite small, and every time you go to drink a cup of coffee, you turn back and it's already logged out. It's not very comfortable, but this is how it is. Okay, so there will be 4 dashboards. Okay, let's do this one more time. Manage banners. Yes. So the second one was the manage mega menu. The third one was was the posts, blog posts, and the fourth one was the banner slider, the brand slider, sorry. Okay, let's check the banner manager. This is our homepage slider. So here we can see slides. This is the banner ID. It's just the sequence. This was just like the first one. This is the second one, and I guess this is not the real sequence. So we will check right now. Here you could see like quick overview of slide. So to edit slide, you need to go here, and we will go to the first slide. So it's very easy. Here's the name. You could see the name on the you could see the name on the first title. Let's load the page. Okay, it's loading. Yes, here we could see the name. Yes, the first one. Here's the name, and here's the first title. Here is the visual parts for rain shed. Okay, we could add the second title as well. For example, garage best garages in Australia, for example. Status enabled, so we could make as many slides as we want, and we could just enable, disable. We could do this in a bulk. So for example, you have approximately 10 slides, and you just select the needed ones and you could, for example, delete, change status, for example, change status, and we could disable them all. Okay, let's not disable our two slides. Let's check some more information here. Alt text, this is the text which is replaced in case if there is no image, if the image is not loaded. For example, the image server is down and there are no images on the website, but there is the alt text, so the visitors could understand what approximately was in this picture. URL, this is the important one. This is the important one. Here you write the link to which the slide will navigate if you click on it. By default, it's just like this. That means there is no link. It will stay on the home page after the on click. Here is the banner image. Everything is very simple. We just select, upload, delete, description. I don't know really what description is, but let's try, just write the test. And here's the order. So this one, banner ID, is not really the order. The order is this one. So, for example, if it will be like 126, it still could be the first in order. Okay, let's try to save this banner. You remember how it was looking? Yes. And let's look how it's changed. Everything is saved, so let's reload the page. Okay, it's loading still, and yes, we could see the the texts I have added. So here's the description. Here's the second title. It's in a white color. Yeah, we found the bug. I will fix this. Okay, and so now you know how you could simply change the images, texts, and so on, so on. Yes, so let's continue. Let's check the manage posts, blog posts. Currently, there is no blog. There is no link to the blog because, as I understood, it wasn't mentioned in our workflow, but it could be easily implemented in the footer or, for example, in the header if you want. And the URL will be obvious on the blog. Okay, here we can see the blog. This is the banner, the brand manager. You could turn it off if you don't like it. I will show how. And here's the blog. It's looking already good, just like a blog. So only the image missing. You could add the image. You could add as many posts as you want, and here's the archive, just like the classic blog. Everything is already here already. Okay, And yes, there are the share buttons, the Facebook comments even, so everything is really nice implemented, and it could be useful. For example, if you would like to make the marketing of new collection of something, you could write an article. You could modify the homepage a little bit, so you could add some media with link to that article on the homepage, and this could be a really good conversion instrument for your business. Something new arrived, you could write an article that will gauge your clients, and you could promote this article on your homepage. Pretty simple. You could insert image, write a text, and here it is. Very simple but very powerful. Okay, so that was the blog. I guess that everything is obvious here. We could move forward farther now, because oh, like that. Sometimes it happened like that. It's just like Magento core bug or something like that. It's normal to happen sometimes. Okay, let's go one more time to the blog post. Here we could see this post, which is displayed currently, and everything is very simple here. You could change the title. URL key is the URL of your post. You could specify the store views where it's shown. You could publish. You could even publish it on specific date, and so on and so on and so on. So there is the editor, where you could insert some widgets, images, widgets. This is some kind of interactive mini iframe where you could insert some part of the website. For example, you could insert another block. You could insert even product link, product lists, and there are many plugins where you could upgrade its features, upgrade features of widgets, and it could be very useful if you create a CMS page. I will describe more a little bit later about CMS pages and CMS blocks, but yes, I guess that everything is pretty simple according to the blog post, and we could move further. So I will finish with the second part now, and we will move further. So this was like somewhere the half of the overview. Then we will create a product, create a category. So I will try to cover the most important topics, so you could rewatch this video to refresh your memory, to create something with this store. But remember, always you could write me and I will help you. This video is just for you, so it's easier for you to manage the store. It's easier for you to know where everything is located. Okay, so let's finish with the second part and let's move further.